and wait a little bit. Yeah.
Check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, okay. Good evening, Professor Angela and other researchers. My name is Ken, and today I picked this journal about artificial intelligence-enabled project management. First of all, the journal overview. This is the abstract, but I will just explain with the points. This journal is investigating how AI technologies enhance the performance of project management. And it also will show, and this journal also show dominance of specific project types. The journal show that AI, especially the machine learning, mostly used in construction and IT projects. The third one, that this journal unveils the AI's limited impact on certain performance domains. We all know that AI mostly used in planning, scheduling, and uncertainty domains, but other domains like stakeholder, communication, and resource management still needs further investigation. The last one, the journal provides us an information that AI gives promising forecasting and decision-making response capabilities. Furthermore, I will explain into two key learning points, the AI capabilities and the decision quality. The first one, the AI capabilities. If we recall from the class a week ago, we learned about project screening. It is one of the most important part in project management. In my opinion, if a company wants to make a project screening, they must consider four major aspects: the risk, organizational and environmental changes, financial criteria, and non-financial criteria. All these major aspects can be translated into measurable aspects, measurable outcomes. Sorry. For example, here the risk aspect, it can be translated into the probability of failure, the risk score, the risk levels, and it allows managers to assess and compare project risk in a structured way. Other aspects can be applied to the same thing. But what about the last one? The non-financial criteria. For me, the last one is a little bit harder to fully quantify. I have something in my mind lately. While AI can support measurable aspects, can it also support decisions that involve values and judgment? Here from the journal, Fitcherson found that AI is expected to dominate in cost, risk, and schedule management, which is highly data-driven. In contrary, areas that rely on human skills are expected to be less affected. Furthermore, however, there's some journal that prove that AI start to support this human-centered base. For example, here from Go et al. Proposed an interactive NLP-based solution to automate the visual design process with the product owner. Another journal from Miller, from the compatibilities, he raises a new issue. He argues that decisions must still follow ethical considerations and stakeholder expectations, meaning that human judgment is still essential. Another thing crossed in my mind, what happens if AI decisions conflict with stakeholders' expectations? AI might give recommendations based on some data, but stakeholders may reject it by stakeholders due to ethical concerns or strategy misalignment. This is why human judgment is still essential to ensure decisions align with value and expectations. Moving on to the second key learning, decision quality. In project screening, each factor plays an important role in selecting projects. Based on the journal, we can conclude that AI enhances decision quality by enabling the processing larger and more complex data sets in faster and automated way. This improves consistency as all projects are evaluated in the same scalable models. Furthermore, this journal proved that AI produces measurable outcomes, meaning that we can argue AI enhance explainability. Managers nowadays can point to specific scores to justify a decision. In addition, this journal also proved that AI use historical data. They become traceable. We can go back to we can trace back the data and validate the data over time. And in result, managers are better able to justify whether the project is selected or rejected based on consistent data-driven and enhanced by AI's performance for processing more data and more reliability. So that's all of my comments. The first one is that human judgment remains essential. Project decisions are not only based on data, but also on values and managerial insight. The second one, AI enhances decision quality by providing measurable and data-driven outputs, and also giving a clear explain to their decisions. Is there any questions?
Oh, but I like the way you do it. Very good. Excellent.